Now it's time to talk about how you can use Instagram to grow your business. Instagram can be useful on many different levels. It can help you find out more about prospective clients and their preferences. It can help you promote your product, service, or expertise, or generate leads. First of all, it is important that you have a clear idea of what your goal is. When talking about Twitter, we already mentioned the importance of hashtags. On Instagram, they are, if possible, even more important. This is because on Twitter you have the 140 character limitation that prevents people from using many hashtags. On Instagram, instead, you don't have this restriction and you are free to add as many hashtags as you wish. First of all, hashtags create engagement. A research by the people at We Are Social Media shows that posts that include hashtags have much higher like to follower ratios than those that don't. They also spotted some hashtags you might want to avoid, and here they are. So make sure to never include these hashtags. If you use repost app, delete the hashtag symbol before the word repost. Why is this important? When talking about Facebook, we discussed the EdRank algorithm and explained how engagement helps you increase your chance to appear on your friend's newsfeed. Instagram, at least for now, does not have such an algorithm, meaning that if someone follows you, he or she will see your photos on their newsfeed. So this is not the reason why we care about engagement here. We do because if your profile looks popular, has many followers and likes, people will be more prone to follow you as well as start interacting with you, which is exactly what any user on Instagram wants. If you have more followers, you automatically expand your audience, meaning that you have higher chances to get people to purchase your product, your service, or anything else that you're selling. People will be more likely to convert to actual customers if you use Instagram to take them behind the scenes of your brand. Show your personality, give your brand a unique voice, and express it through your photos. Use Instagram to reveal things that you haven't shared on your Facebook, Twitter, or blog. This makes your Instagram followers feel special. Make a short video of your business opening a new store, of yourself opening the box of a new product, taking a trip, or speaking at an event or conference. Get personal. Give your Instagram followers a discount code which are only relevant to them, for example. Also, make clever use of your bio. URLs are not clickable on Instagram. Only the link in your bio is, so make sure you pick one that is relevant to your audience. Keep in mind that most people will visit your Instagram profile from a mobile device, so you might want to direct them to a specific landing page that you created for mobile users. Then, anytime you post a picture, add in the photo description a call to action that invites users to click on the link in your bio. It works. As you understand, the possibilities are endless. Instagram is a very sort of basic social network, but it provides a lot of ways for entrepreneurs to promote their business. Now, think of the Instagram account that you chose for your homework in your previous lecture. Are they applying these strategies? Take a piece of paper and write down 2 things that they are already doing and 2 things that we discussed that you think they should be doing but they are not doing. Reflecting upon this, you will get a deeper and more practical understanding of this topic, and you'll be ready for our next lecture.